Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Many people think of Instagram as a platform for sharing personal photos and updates, but it can also be a powerful traffic source for digital products. Successful creators use Instagram to attract targeted audiences and direct them to products that solve specific problems. One example is a Faceless Instagram account that promotes digital planners. Instead of appearing on camera, the creator posts images and short videos demonstrating how the planners work. The content is visually appealing, consistent, and clearly targeted toward people interested in productivity and organization. This shows that building a successful audience does not require showing your face as long as the content provides value and speaks to a specific group of people. Visitors who click the link in the account's bio are taken to a professional online store where they can browse and purchase the planners. The account appears to rely heavily on organic traffic generated through its Instagram content rather than paid advertising. This demonstrates how consistent content creation can be used to attract potential customers and generate sales. Another example features an Instagram account that promotes a web based application rather than a traditional digital product. The account publishes content related to the problem that application solves and then directs interested users to learn more through the link in its bio. What makes this example notable is that the business was originally created by an individual entrepreneur and later acquired by a larger company. It highlights the idea that digital products can become valuable assets when they address a clear market need and attract a loyal audience. Building digital tools and applications has become increasingly accessible. Entrepreneurs can create products that help users solve specific problems, such as organizing information, improving productivity, managing investments, or automating tasks. The focus should be on identifying a need, creating a useful solution, and then using content to reach potential customers. The common lesson from these examples is that Instagram can serve as a distribution channel for digital products. Whether someone is selling planners, templates, software, or other digital resources, success often comes from creating content that attracts the right audience and consistently demonstrates the value of the product being offered. Another account focuses on the ADHD niche. Rather than posting videos or showing a face, the creator primarily shares carousel style posts containing educational information. These posts use multiple slides filled with text, encouraging users to spend more time reading and interacting with the content. This strategy can increase engagement because viewers must swipe through several slides to consume the information. Higher engagement often leads to greater visibility on the platform. The account also uses automated messaging. Users are encouraged to comment a specific keyword on a post, after which they automatically receive a direct message containing a link to a related digital product. In this case, the product is an ebook designed for the target audience. The creator has also built a simple online store containing several ebooks related to the niche. This approach allows educational content to attract attention, while digital products provide a way to monetize the audience. The overall strategy combines valuable content, audience engagement, and automated follow up systems to turn viewers into potential customers. All of these examples demonstrate that there is no single formula for success on Instagram. Some creators rely on videos, while others use images, carousels, or entirely faceless content. Some sell simple digital downloads, while others promote software or specialized tools. What they all have in common is a clear understanding of their audience and a consistent effort to provide content that addresses specific interests or challenges. For anyone looking to build a digital product business, these accounts offer a valuable lessons. Focus on a niche, create content that generally helps or informs your audience, and make it easy for interested followers to learn more about your products. Over time, even a relatively small but engaged audience can become a reliable source of traffic and sales. The key takeaway is that Instagram is more than just a social platform. It can function as a marketing engine for digital businesses by combining useful content, audience engagement, and a well positioned offer. Creators can turn attention into long term business growth. Whether you're just getting started or looking to improve an existing strategy, studying successful accounts and adapting their methods to your own niche can provide a strong foundation for sustainable results. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching. Before we end this video, let me introduce to you the Course Funnels, online courses platform with integrated marketing. Host anywhere, supports 17 languages, 6 profit-boosting plugins included, made to sell and get you profits. Just don't make courses, sell them and turn them into profits. Build your course sales pages and entire funnels all within Course Funnels. Grab opt-in leads and deliver your courses instantly. Get paid using any payment system you want. Includes profit and conversion boosting plugins that save hundreds a month. Integrates every popular payment system, CRM and autoresponder. Rich interaction with inbuilt comments, review and questions inbuilt. Integrations for live chat, Facebook Messenger, bots, support desk, conversion proof, etc. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Course Funnels now. Just go to getcoursefunnels.in.